You're going to love the 2013 Infiniti G37X. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, and leather upholstery. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.